you barely get any bubbles. A question many people have is, how do you know when your arc is empty? And it just happened to me. So when you come to the device, and excuse my kitchen, we just got back from evacuating from a hurricane, so somewhat of a mess. But I go to make a drink, and when you push down on the handle, you barely get any bubbles. That is an indicator that your CO2 cylinder is empty. So I'm going to show you how to change that real quick. First thing, you got to make sure you have a screw-in CO2 cylinder, 60 liters, about that length. And the screw, it has to be a screw-in. There are two types. I'll show you real quick when you take this off. It has to be one with the screw-in tab. There's another one that's like a push-in. That won't work with the arc, so make sure it's a screw-in. All right, so now we have that squared away. We are going to, and you can leave this in. You don't have to take it out. And on the bottom here, you'll see that there's the cylinder, and really simple. You just unscrew it, and comes out just like that. All right, and now we're going to get the other one. I don't believe you don't have to do anything with this. I don't think. Let's see, what is that? Yeah, you don't have to do anything with that. So then you put it right up in the bottom, and I'll show you. You can see where it's going up in. Don't worry, that's just the metal thing that just fell off. All right, so push that right up in, and you just turn it to the right until you feel it. You'll feel it start going in, and you turn it until you can't turn it anymore, and that's it. And let's see, let's put this back on, and then just like that. We're good to go. All right, thank you for watching.